Hi, I'm Meghna Bhatia, Mediaconcessionaire and a business consultant for print media. So today we will discuss how to make a red velvet rope policy. Basically, the filtration process, pruning your clients. Which also means how to choose your ideal or star clients who inspire and energize you. Number 1. Define your ideal clients. The qualities, values, characteristics which your ideal clients should possess. Like they think big, they are resilient, they are positive, or they are collaborative. And then look at your current client database. Then segregate the clients you do not want should cross the red velvet rope. Now you have 3 categories: the dud clients, the mid-range clients, and the ideal clients. Dump your dud clients. As you remove the dud clients, you will have room for ideal clients. Prune the client list regularly. Your action should be to make a policy that star clients are attracted and you both enjoy the process of association of selling and marketing, and of moving the mid-range clients to being star or ideal. See you friends. Please make your red velvet policy. Thank you. Bye-bye.